Hello there guys, we are currently at Kilnsea this afternoon. Current time is 5:15 in the evening and high tide I believe is 8:50 in the evening, so we're quite early. I have from out once already, literally within 5 minutes, swing right to the right, a load of red weed on it, so not a good sign. So I might have to move to a different location if it carries on or if it's persistent. I don't know yet. I've swung around again. It's not good. So yeah, at Kilnsea. Tide is 6.7 today, well tonight. If you watched my last video, I'm literally out the next day. I got out, so quite lucky, but the conditions are not the best. They're quite windy. And it looks like the weed is quite up as well, so that's not good. But if it carries on, I'll go to, I think it's Chalky Point on the river, so we'll see what happens. But at the moment it's not looking too good, so yeah, I'll put you onto the rod and I'll go from there. So yeah, I'll catch you soon. Right guys, we are fishing at Paull. So yeah, as you've seen in the video, well the clip just a minute ago, that was at Kilnsea. The weed was absolutely tragic, so that wasn't good. So yeah, came to Paull. High tide at Paull is between 9 o'clock to 9:30. There's different times on the net, so I'm not too sure. Again, the tide height is about 6.8 metres, give or take. So I'll work that out at the bottom for the feet. So yeah, I've got one rod out already, fully pennel with worm on, so just a little bit, hopefully catch something, but I'm just going to enjoy the fishing. from yesterday's session and earlier today, it's been dreadful. So I just come back to the river. The wind's blowing right at me, so that's not good. So it's going to be very windy. So hopefully I'm speaking loud enough and clear enough you can hear me. But yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, so like I say, 8.6 tide. Hopefully get both rods out. The bite detection, because of the wind, is going to be awful. So that's looking good there. So yeah, I'll fish to high tide, and then I'll maybe fish an hour or two after, depending how it's gone, if I'm bored or out. If not, I'll carry on. Fingers crossed we get a fish or something today. Even if it's fouls and a crab, I don't mind that. But at least a fish, just one more fish. Any fish will do. So I've got squid with us. Like I say, frozen black log. Like I said in the last week's video, I don't know how often. Like I said in the last week's video, I don't know when I'll be next fishing after today. So I'll get as many fishing as I can really, because my partner's going on hospital. So I'm not going to be fishing for at least about 4 weeks, 5 weeks. So fingers crossed I don't miss out on the cod coming in. I shouldn't do, I should be back in late October. So I've got enough videos in the bank, so you might notice, but if you do, that's the reason why. So yeah, I'll put you to the rod and see what happens. Like I say, new mark, new venue. Let's see if we catch any fish. If we don't catch them, we'll see all the pre-boats go by. So yeah, I'll get you to the rods. Get your rod set up. That's how it seems to be all done. I'll throw one that way, and then we'll see what we do. I don't know when I edit the video that I'll be able to sort out the shakiness a little bit. So fingers crossed I can stabilise all the footage. It's very windy. Session than we've been having. So what's good about fishing this area, like, is the amount of boats that go by. It's incredible to see. Absolutely love it. So yeah, next year, that's something going on a charter boat. I know I won't be able to take you on the charter boat, but definitely looking forward to that. And then I know, alright, because I've said he can't come fishing now till it won't come a bit for him because he was tired yesterday and cold. So yeah, that won't go. And I think the next purchase is going to be a mic. Get a mic, I think. I don't know if you can bloody hear me. But if not, I'll do audio over. Anyway, I'll do post production, I'll do another voice over. flexi charge. That's a lot, I don't want that. What I'm going to do is throw this out. Well, I actually was using it last week. So I'll throw that out till I get fitted up because this is all ready to go. Like the fake fish are actually, the laws. It really does. So I think next year we're taking mackerel fishing around Flambered. Like, not Flambered. Is it Flambered? Flambered? Somewhere up that area anyway. Taking that for life. Taking mackerel. Especially with his little rod, it'd be perfect for him. So he'll enjoy that. So I'll show you a bit later. blowing off. That's a bit better. So like I say, I've got a bit of squid, got a bit of worm. Let's see if we catch fish. I've got this plastic collar, but never mind. Put that in there, let me put that there. Let me put that down because I'm going to go flying. Let's take some frozen. Get rid of this. Bit of elastic on that. Right, let's see the state of this flat rod. See what's happening in there then. That. I don't know if that's a big piece of squid like. So we'll get that out. Let's feed the crops tonight. I don't think I got my handkerchief with me. So yeah, I've got flappers, get them out. Get rid of some of this old manky bit. Here's a question for you guys, if you've kept it this far. Any place that sells good bait? Currently I use the shop on Holderness Road in Hull. Squid and look from there. But I want to get some crab, mackerel, just other bait. So leave a comment if you can recommend anybody. Leave a comment. Because I'm going to be off for 5 weeks, I'm going to stock up and hopefully get back into hard. Stock up squid, or some peeler crab, log. Don't need to be fresh. Frozen would do. I'm not greedy. So a bit frozen, that's fine. I don't mind that. I like them up easy. Yeah, a bit of frozen. I have seen on other people's channel, so fingers crossed I can get some. Big Shane promotes one, the Godfather. One man in the road, Mickey promotes one, so we're going to have a good look at them, see what they're like. Because the weather's shite for the wind, I'm just going to have to bring it in every so often. Reel it in, and then but what I'll do, I'll get another flapper ready. I've done this winter, so that's pulley. The pulleys. I need to move these. Sort that out now. Put them in the right snips over there. Can't be asked to now. So put them there. Give them a wash down. Do you wash your rings, guys? Like, put them in a bit of water. Yeah, question, do you wash your rigs? Do you wash them down? Right, give the lights out. Need some new lanterns. They're crap. Absolute crap. Where's my head torch? I'm all charged up, so charged up, ready to go. So I can see what I'm doing. And then you're there, you can actually go here. Front. There. Then we've got this to go on the front. This one. The blind. And that's my selfie one here. So yes. Turn around. Let's pause this. Right. Hold on, we'll get back to you if anything happens. Oh, and I'm reeling in. I enjoyed that. Didn't catch a fish, but I've enjoyed being out, especially like from last week. But it's a few blanks in a row now, so it's a bit annoying to leave off one blank, but never mind. Right, I don't know if you can see me in the camera very much, so what I've done is just grab the camera and done. So yeah, so that was the last cast, all done. Don't forget to subscribe guys, leave a comment, ding that like button, and yeah, it's comment below about what run reel I should get after Christmas, and we'll see you in 5 to 6 weeks. Hopefully our lass is better after operation. So yeah, ciao for now, see ya.